evaluate the integral of 1 over the quantity sine x plus cosine x squared dx. So let's expand first the square of the binomial in the denominator. So square the first, the sine x, we have sine squared x plus twice the product of the first and the second term. So 2 times sine x cosine x. And then plus the square of the second term cosine x cosine squared x. If we group the sine squared x plus cosine squared x, we can apply Pythagorean identity. It's equal to 1, right? Plus 2 sine x cosine x copy. So we have integral of 1 over sine squared x plus cosine squared x is equal to 1 by Pythagorean identity. And then we can also apply the double angle identity for 2 sine x cosine x, right? So it's equal to sine 2x. So how can we evaluate the integral of 1 over 1 plus sine 2x? We try to rationalize. We multiply both numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator 1 plus sine 2x, which is 1 minus sine 2x. So that we can create cosine squared 2x under the denominator using Pythagorean identity. So multiply 1 times 1 minus sine 2x, 1 minus sine 2x over 1 plus sine 2x times 1 minus sine 2x, that's just difference of two squares. So square the first term 1 square or still 1. Then minus the square of the second term, sine 2x, we have sine squared 2x. Then applying the Pythagorean identity for 1 minus sine squared 2x, it's equal to cosine squared 2x, right? Then the numerator is 1 minus sine 2x dx. So we can distribute or we can divide each term on the numerator by cosine squared 2x. So we'll have 1 over cosine squared 2x, then minus sine 2x over cosine squared 2x. So 1 over cosine squared 2x using reciprocal identity, it's equal to secant squared 2x, right? And for this one, I can rewrite as sine 2x over cosine 2x times 1 over cosine 2x. So we have integral of secant squared 2x minus, applying identity, sine 2x over cosine 2x is tan 2x. And times 1 over cosine 2x, secant 2x. So all of the term, both of these terms are now integrable. So we can distribute the integral symbol. We'll have integral of secant squared 2x dx minus the integral of tan 2x secant 2x dx. So what is the integral of secant squared 2x? So since we have a coefficient of 2 in the x, we have 1 over the coefficient 2, and then the integral of secant squared is positive tangent. Then copy 2x, then minus integral of tan 2x secant 2x. Again, it has the x has a coefficient of 2. It's equal to 1 over that coefficient 2. And then the integral for tangent secant is positive secant. Then copy 2x inside. Then don't forget to put plus c for the constant of integration. So this is the final answer.